Imagine you're an emperor. This is you. There's your crown. You own a Colosseum. Here's the Colosseum. In the middle of the Colosseum, there's a poor gladiator. Over here, there's a lion, and you can't see it right now, but the lion's in a cage. The Colosseum has 10,000 seats, including yours, and they're all filled. You've got two options. One option you have is you can release the lion from its cage. If you release the lion, it'll eat the gladiator. He'll suffer 1,000 units of pain, and that'll be the end of that. But everybody in the crowd will be ever so slightly pleased by what they see. They came here to see the guy get eaten. They'll be ever so slightly pleased, and they'll each get 1 unit of pleasure. So if you release the lion, it eats the guy. He suffers 1,000 units of pain. Everybody in the crowd together, combined, gets 10,000 units of pleasure, with each individual getting 1. So if you perform that action, you'll get a hedonic utility of 9,000. The 10,000 that the crowd gets total, minus the 1,000 that the guy suffers, boom. Big positive number. But you've got another option. You can keep the lion in its cage and let the guy live. And if you let the gladiator live, he'll go on to live a life of 1,000 units of pleasure. And everybody in the crowd, they came to see the lion eat the gladiator. There won't be that disappointed, but they'll be ever so slightly disappointed, and they'll all receive 1 unit of pain from the guy not being eaten by the gladiator, or by the gladiator not being eaten by the lion. And so that'll be the 1,000 units of pleasure that the guy gets continuing to live his life, minus the 10,000 units of pain that everybody collectively, each suffering 1 unit of pain, but everybody collectively in the Colosseum experiences. And that gets you a big negative number, negative 9,000. So if you let the lion eat the guy, big positive number, 9,000. If you don't kill the guy, big negative number, negative 9,000. This gives us an argument against HAU. If HAU is true, then you are morally obligated to release the lions. You have to do it because that's what gets you the highest hedonic utility. And you add up those tiny instances of one person enjoying watching the guy get eaten a little bit. You add them up times 10,000, you get a big positive number. And if you don't, you get a big negative number. So you have to have the lion eat the guy. But premise 2, that's messed up. It seems wrong to have the lion eat the guy. So HAU isn't true.